So I'm gonna do scuba diving. First time. For the very first time. Oh, I'm excited plus I'm scared as well.
Don't
Yeah,
worry.
Yeah?
Good morning,
Don't
mommy.
worry.
Cannot swim, no problem.
I have to sign here.
Sign first.
Okay. I'm gonna sign. Rico brother, I'm gonna
Yes.
sign, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then phone number.
Yeah. Your number.
Alright. Rico brother here to save me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So video is here. So for the very first time, guys. Hello, Rico brother. My Philippines brother. My first Philippine brother.
Yeah.
Rico
Father
brother.
Boracay.
Okay, let's see, guys. Okay, so this is the costume. And this is gas.
Hai. Jumpa ka na
Brother. Rico brother. I'll upload on
Welcome to
So, Boracay, Bagasco.
Boracay.
Philippines. Filipino.
Yes.
I'm ready to go scuba diving. Not ready yet. I need to learn. You need to tie your hair and wear something like that. And they will give you the costume. This one I'm gonna wear. I need to wear this. Not now. Later. Okay, okay.
We make a video.
Yeah.
About scuba diving. It's
Yeah.
a storyline. Even you are not able to swim, you do not have to swim in scuba dive. Okay. So maximum depth 12 meters. You stay underwater like actual bottom time 45 minutes. Okay, so we're doing 3 parts. First, we have dripping, and in dripping, I will teach you how to use scuba equipment.
First, I need to learn.
And I
Okay.
will give you very important skills.
Okay.
Skills you can use for emergency during our actual dive. Right?
Okay.
So the second part is all the skills that I will demonstrate here. We practice in shallow water.
Okay.
So that you are confident to dive during
Okay.
our actual dive. So during practice, the water up to your shoulder, and then once you down your knees, during practice, the water above your head, and then
Yeah.
okay. So and then the third part, that's the boat dive. Okay, actual dive. Okay, so this is our diving gear. First, we have the equipment induction first, so that's after diving up knowledge how it works with scuba equipment. And what kind of equipment of gear. So this is our diving gear. This is our diving jump. So we will complete the air here so that we can get underwater. So we use normal air, like what we're breathing right now, the same air, normal air. So what you put in this box, this tank, this is what we call regulator. So this regulator, we have this one already. So as you can see, our regulator, we have 4 hoses. 2 here to the right and 2 here to the left. So we can start with that. So one hook here to your regulator, attach here to this power indicator of this jacket. This jacket is called this BCD, stands for your buoyancy. Okay, how to control this? We have regulator and regulator here. So once you press this button here, the air will go inside your jacket. Walang hangin.
Chills.
Okay. Okay. Okay, again, this jacket stands for your buoyancy. We call this buoyancy control device. How to control this? So we have inflator and deflator here. So once you press this button here, the air will go inside your jacket. So meaning, once you are above the water, meaning your buoyancy is positive. So once you deflate this, the air from your jacket will come out here, meaning you start to go down. Okay? So this is the purpose of your jacket. Right?
If I want to come up,
No, let your dive master, let your guide, because you have a guide in the water, let your guide underwater.
This one for emergency.
Yes. Later, So let your guide underwater to control this, to inflate and to deflate this. Because once you are underwater and then you inflate it too much, what will happen? Because they will expand underwater, you go up very fast. So will create problem. So you can touch but do not press first. Okay? So your guide will control this. Okay? So this is the purpose of your jacket. So next, another house of your regulator. We have we call this SPG, submersible pressure gauge. You can see here how many air you have in your tank. Full tank air is 200, low air is 50 bar. Okay? So once you reach 50 bar, we're going to start to go up because you are low air already. So don't worry about the air inside your tank because from time to time your guide will watch this, will check it. Don't worry about the air inside your tank. Next, let's go to the right of your regulator. We have two holes sitting here. So this, you experience already, ma'am, snorkeling? Never.
First time.
Okay, so in diving, so we practice breathing through your mouth because we're using mask. Okay, so once you wear this mask, your nose covered by this mask. So you cannot get any air here to your nose. So we practice breathing through your mouth. Inhale, exhale to your mouth. Okay, so these two, this air source, okay, these two, anytime you can breathe here. Okay, so this black color, what we call this your primary, this is what we are using in practice in shallow water, and then actual dive, this is primary. This yellow one, this is your secondary, this is your alternate air source. So this is for emergency or sharing. Like example, if during practice you are not comfortable to breathe here, you can ask to your guide to try the secondary, maybe you are comfortable to breathe here, okay? So and then if someone needs help underwater running out of air, like you have body running out of air, or you can give this. It will come up, So this is the purpose of the yellow one. So let's go to the important skills, how to breathe and how to bite this mouthpiece. General rules in diving, do not hold your breath, Because our body, we have up to airspace that's affected by water pressure.
Okay. So we need to breathe from mouth.
You got through your mouth, So, just like our lungs, we have an airspace. Once you wear your mask, have an airspace. And then our ear, our sinuses, we have an airspace. That's affected by water pressure. So that our lungs can equalize normal, and you breathe normal, So do not hold your breath because once you hold your breath during the dive, after dive you feel headache because our brain needs air. Okay, so when you inhale, will go first to your lungs, you need to pull to your lungs before you exhale. Ooh, okay? When you exhale, mini bubbles must be good, So when you exhale, you will form a bubble here, that is normal, alright? So you breathe here, okay? So how to bite this mouthpiece, okay? General rules in, okay? We have a word what we call A, E, U, meaning A, open your mouth, E, your teeth here, bite gently, okay? Do not bite too hard, because we stay underwater for 5 minutes, okay? And then U, your lips always covered here around this mouthpiece, your lips, Because once your left, you have a space here, the water will go inside your mouth. Okay. I will show you how to bite this mouthpiece and how to breathe. Okay? Like this. E. Just like this. Alright? Only to your mouth. Next, let's go to the common problem. We have 3 common problems about breathing because your first time. The first common problem, please do not breathe shallow or rapid. Like this. No, number 2, you do not inhale twice, exhale twice, like this. No. And then number 3, while you're getting air, you move your legs. Once you move your legs, you swallow the water like this. No. Do not move your legs while you're getting air. Next, what if the water will go inside your mouth while you bite this or this air source accidentally, you lost this to your mouth. Once you lost this to your mouth, you need to go back to the surface to return this to your mouth and the water can get. During practice, you need to remove this to your mouth and put it back again. So we have 2 ways how to remove the water inside your mouth while you bite this or accidentally you lost this to your mouth. The first one is to blow if you have the air to blow like this. You blow a little bit hard, okay? Number 2, if you have the more air to blow, press first, here. Okay? Press gently, like this. Do not press too long like this. Because you don't create a big bubble here, maybe that big bubble, you surprise, you will push your mask and then will deform your face, your mask, okay? So what? But if you use the second method, you need, before you press, you need to block or you cover your tongue before you press, so that if you have a salt water here inside, you avoid the water will go inside directly into your mouth after you get to it, like that. Just press. Yes, next, regulator clearing. This skill. Okay. So you need to remove this to your mouth and put it back again. Before you remove this to your mouth, you need to get a full breath first, so that your lungs are not air before you remove this to your mouth. Like that. get a full breath, and then once you remove the tube out,